Wood.
What are you doing right now?
I don't know.
What are you playing?
The cowboy game?
Cowboy game?
If
Switch.
I said, I won't say nothing, okay?
Okay.
Why
No, just play. Don't worry about me.
are you doing that?
Because.
Because it's the cowboy game?
Yep, because it's a cowboy game. And I just want to show people how good you are at it, since you're 3. Why don't you go shoot some stuff?
I know.
You're gonna?
Should I shoot down your rocks?
Yeah. You can do it, just for now, though.
I saw a little deer.
You saw a little deer?
Yeah.
Oh,
And I
man.
saw- there's 2 little goats.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't understand.
Why don't you go shoot something?
I ain't going. Maybe there's a little deer over here.
Kill those guys.
Why do?
Kill them.
I don't fun.
I don't know, but kill them. Hurry, they're shooting at you.
You are dying. Oh, they got.
Oh, yeah.
Ah. It's just. But. It's just.
Shoot them. Dude, they're getting you. You gotta shoot them.
I got to run.
No, you gotta get them.
No.
Yeah.
No, I want to run.
Why do you want to run?
Because if there's no bad guys around here.
There's not? You gotta go get them. Yeah.
Why am I gonna shoot my horse?
Don't shoot your horse. It's a nice horse.
It's being crazy.
It's being crazy?
Yeah, because it's mad at me.
It's mad at you?
There's no bad guys.
None?
No.
Okay. Good job.